Morning. We got a few chests to unlock. Maybe get a couple seeker hits in. We're probably just gonna save up for the 7th engine room. Could add some more defenses, but wow. Easy corner bases. Blow up the defenses. And throw some seekers in. To 18, a little bit slow there. From extra large. Only 9 stars. It'll be alright. Get a couple more in. Get these chests. We could get the gunboat energy. That's what's really tempting me. Going ahead and getting that gunboat energy. See how much damage these mines are going to do. $54. One second. I could have done that a lot faster. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. These, I probably need to free clear these. I'll go up this left side. Get some of these cannons down. They're going to be a problem. Again, still hitting about the 250 something mark. Pretty good, pretty good. Thinking of moving that damage amp down to the bottom, but they just shock all that stuff anyway. Alright, we got our chest. Moved up a little bit. So the next question, shock mines, gunboat energy, or save up for this bad boy. Still gonna need a 110, which is 5 chests. Pretty sure we have enough gunboat energy. I think the shock mines would help stop seekers. Already got boom mines and regular mines maxed out. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. What we should do. What is it? 50% more gunboat energy. Gonna add another 25 to our total. It's a extra barrage or an extra shock here and there. Smoke, maybe, if I had the gunboat energy for it. But thanks for watching, guys. That's gonna wrap up the video. Let's get one more. One more for old time's sake. One more for the road. And we got a booger. Shock mines everywhere. Shock mine, shock mine, shock mine. Ain't scared of no shock mines. Almost messed up there. Yeah, a gunboat energy would be nice. Little bit slow there. Shock mine got us. Maybe he's going with diddles. 241. Going for a full clear. And losing his heavy choppers. "11 seconds, come on." I think he's gonna bark down the last one. And we got a dub. I'll take it. Oh, that was a 21. I don't think I'm going to get very many stars for that. 9, we'll take it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Try to head out.